External Affairs Minister Dr. Jaishankar has underlined the strong partnership India has with Maldives and said that the two countries together have a responsibility for peace and security in the region. Union Road Transport and Highway Minister Nitin Gadkari said knowledge and technology will play a decisive role in achieving the dreams of self-reliant India. The Election Commission of India has released the election schedule for three poll-bound states of Nagaland, Tripura and Meghalaya. According to the schedule, in Meghalaya, elections will be held on 27th of February and counting of votes will take place on 2nd March 2023. A total of 222.20 crore COVID vaccine doses have been administered so far under nationwide vaccination drive. In the FIH Hockey Men's World Cup being played in Odisha, India will take on Wales in capital Bhubaneswar today.